Hi everyone, my name is P. Prasanna. I am doing by the third year Electronic Communication Engineering. I have done by the online internship of the embedded system and the provide by the embedded system. The project name is washing machine. The table of the content of the introduction, embedded system, and the components, software used, PIC microcontroller, embedded C, peripheral description, and the broader demonstration. And the introduction of the washing machine. A washing machine is the houseless of the application of the automatic the product cleaning and close of the other textiles. Washing machine are used to the reduce of the human reliability of the save times. Washing machine have the important place of the modern society. How days of the can be the various of the washing machine. The type of the washing machine of the prototype and the using to the PIC microcontroller. The microcontroller then the IC is 16F877A microcontroller. And then the components of the components of the microcontroller of the washing machine of motor, LED, tube, the filter, the fans of the LED, interrupts, interface, cleaning bath, and the waterfalls. The type of the embedded system. The type of the embedded system with the two type of the embedded system. First one is the based on the performance and the functional requirement, and the functional requirements the real-time networking, mobiles, and the standard alone. The second type of the embedded system is based on the performance of the microcontroller, smaller scale, medium scale, at the source specific. The components of the embedded system are first one the CPU, software, my memory, digital to analog converter, analog to digital converter, sensor, automatic FPGA, and then the software used. Washing machine like the many order of the applications, the interface of the software, the controller of the operator of the function, operating system, control software, energy management software, use of the interface of the software, the PIC Similar Lab FC of the compiler. The next slide of the my PIC microcontroller. PIC அப்படின்னா programmable interface controllers. Microcontrollers are the words. The smallest microcontrollers can be the programmed to the carrier to the task. Use the microcontroller as the found as the many electronic device of the phones, computer, control system, and the any alarm the system of the embedded system. PIC, the microcontroller is 40 pins. I have the 5 ports. The total ports of port A 6 pins, port B 8 pins, port C 8 pins, port E and the 3 pins. It is the support of the SPLC portals. It supports serial communication by the 2 pins. Transfer signals and the receiver signal TX and RX. We have the oscillation frequency range of the 4 MHz to 40 MHz. Then the next slide of the architecture of the PLC microcontroller. Then the architecture of the PIC microcontroller of the CPU. 32 interface of the interface. Analog to digital converter. Oscillator frequency 0 to 20 MHz, interface oscillator, and then the timer T1, T2 and T3, and then the program memory 8K, FE of the PROM memory, EROM memory, reset, port A, port EB, port C. It is the port the 20 MA. The CPU of the 32, CPU 1 and CPU 2. And go into the next slide is what is embedded system. Embedded system is the programmable language. It is used to the development of the embedded system. Embedded system is the specific of the system is designed by the performs very specific function of the tasks. Embedded system is the combination of the hardware and the software, the generally of the which the forms of the which is the embedded system is the software and hardware. Embedded C is the used to the wide range of the microcontroller or the microprocessor and embedded to the recur to the less memory of the requirements of the accused of the components with the high level language of the assembly programmable language. The basic language of the embedded C is the component basic is the C. Embedded C is the common additional data type of the keywords. They are the some special data type in embedded C like the bits of the which is the addressable of this memory register in memory. Embedded C allowed to the work with the hardware device of the sensor and the input and output device. They are the various of the input complies of the comply. The embedded C program is the key the SPG compiler embedded the C la compiler. Embedded system can be the classified in the small scale of the medium scale or the and then the simple program of the Asim is in embedded C. And the next slide of the project description. The project description. It is the microcontroller. Select then the PIC the upload to the code. I have select by the coding to the one of the press button. The reset of the button so already upload to the program. Washing machine program is the already upload to the washing machine. So of the power of the button. So then go to the button number is 5. Washing machine is the heavens daily waterproof delicates. The different type of the buttons in the washing machine. So I will selected by the one button at the long time. I have the waterproof button is the different type of the waterproof button, medium, high, low, at the maximum, at the automatic of the long price of the switch, low, medium, the waterproof, low, medium. I have the select of the one button is the automatic button is the long time, switch 5. So then the button is the reset. The button is the reset. So then the process is the completed to the button is 5 is the so completed. Upload the program is the waterproof the different type of the waterproof is the completed button is the so the reset button is upload. So the washing machine is switched. The different type of the levels of the modes. The switch button is 6. The switch is the long press of the button. So the cloth is the rotated. By fan is the rotated. So this the class is the button is the switch is the operating. So my fan switching is the 6 button is the connected to the microcontroller. And then the second button is the switch is the timing controller. The washing machine timing controller, the T1, T2 and the TT is the microcontroller is the basic timing support the 30 seconds of the washing machine timing controller. So the fan is the button is the 6, the fan is running, so washing machine is the rotating. The microcontroller of the timing is the successful of the timing controller. The interrupts of the CPU of the software and the hardware is the all the components of the rotating in the washing machine. And finally of the microcontroller is the very watchful of the washing machine, very useful for the successful of the washing machine. Thank you.